Welcome to 31 Days to Learn Programming. In this first week, titled Welcome to Programming, we'll tackle a fundamental question. Why learn to program in 2026? This chapter will empower you to discover why coding remains the ultimate superpower in our modern world, providing you with invaluable skills and opportunities. Welcome to Week 1. We'll begin by exploring the digital shift and how it's fundamentally reshaping our world. You'll learn how technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, how code acts as the central nervous system of the modern global economy, and critically, how understanding that code grants you complete control over technology itself. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone looking to thrive in the digital age. Next, we'll delve into programming in the age of AI. It's important to recognize that while AI tools can assist in writing code, they cannot solve complex problems independently. Developers are leveraging AI to build software faster and more efficiently than ever before. But this acceleration doesn't diminish the need for human expertise. In fact, effectively prompting and guiding AI requires a deep understanding of programming logic. This means that code literacy is not becoming less valuable, it's becoming more essential. Finally, we'll examine the incredible opportunity and automation that programming presents. Tech jobs continue to grow across virtually every major industry, creating a robust demand for skilled professionals. Automation is rapidly replacing manual tasks with intelligent software systems, making programming an indispensable skill. Learning to program effectively future-proofs your career path, equipping you with abilities that will remain relevant and in demand. Moreover, coding skills open doors to highly competitive, high-paying remote roles, offering unparalleled flexibility and career growth. Let's summarize Week 1. We've established that coding isn't just a skill, it's the fundamental foundation of all modern technology. We've also seen that AI doesn't render programmers obsolete. Instead, it makes skilled programmers even more productive and powerful. The rise of automation is creating a massive and ongoing demand for talented software builders, and most importantly, learning to program is the most effective way to future-proof your professional career. Ready to go deeper? Destin Learning's Introduction to Programming course is designed to take you from zero experience to writing real Python programs. It includes hands-on labs, requires no prior experience, and is completely free to start. Enroll today at destinlearning.com. Tomorrow, we will help you take the very next step in your coding journey by guiding you to choose your first programming language.